I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude, but I see.
Look at it in the back there.
On this side right here?
Up in the other one. Yeah, it's 6 order with 4 Sundown XV3 10.
Oh. You got that thing stuffed in there, don't you?
It barely fit, man.
Hey, it looking good though. You did all the work yourself.
No, I have a buddy.
Yeah. Yeah, I did a good. Yeah, let's do that.
You find something there.
You got to keep the back seat.
Yeah, I know.
That's the main thing.
That was the perk, man.
That's the main thing right there.
If I can get through this playlist, here we go.
Keep your eyes on where you leave on. Lay it down. If you feel it,
Oh yeah, I smell it. Hey man, let them know what you got on here again, man. Just
4 Sundown XV310s and 2 Banda 8800 watt sub amps.
Play the bass versus shit. Play the bass versus.
Which one? You want this one?
Yeah.
The Yayo Jug.
Where can I find you on social media, man?
Man, I'm not even on there, bro.
You ain't on there?
I ain't on there yet.
Hey, it don't make no
This
difference,
is
man.
my first time ever coming to a show.
Yeah, man. You got it looking good, man. Sound good, too.
I appreciate it,
There's a
man.
4th one, right?
Yeah, 6. Quarter at the back.
Okay. Yes, sir, man. I sure appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
You got to check out my Grand Marquis.
Oh, let me come over there. Battery.
That wasn't even on.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.